Okay, so to get started with rigging, we are going to import a base mesh that's been started, and we're going to apply a rig to it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this default cube, press X to delete, and we're going to go to File, Import, and we're going to go down to FBX, and that's the file type that we'll be importing. And I've already got that file here in a folder, so I'm going to just leave all of these settings as they are, click Import FBX, and you'll notice that it comes in really small. And if we were to just pop out this side panel and just select our object here in the outliner to make sure that the item tab shows up, we can see that it's actually been scaled before we brought it in. So if we want to correct the scale, all we have to do is select all of these at once by dragging across all three and pressing 1 and return, and that basically makes the scale 1. So if I zoom out now, what you'll notice is that the model is the proper size to start working with. And you can see on the right in the dimensions that the Z, or the vertical axis, is 1.68 meters. That's actually pretty accurate to how tall a person is. Obviously, people are different heights, but this is a good size to work in. So just correct that scale before you get started. Okay, now we need to take a look at whether our base mesh is ready to be rigged. And if we go to wireframe, what you'll notice is that it's actually not ready. And what we're missing are vertices to allow this mesh to deform like a character might. For instance, if you want to bend the arm at the elbow, what we'll notice is that there's actually no vertices here to make that bend possible. So if you move the hand, it will draw a line between these vertices and wherever the kind of hand vertices end up. So what we will need to do is go through and add edge loops and vertices in strategic locations where we know that we'll want to deform our model. So let's go ahead and get started with that.